Hung up the phone with one of my sellers, and his question was this: how can he make sure that his home comes in at value for the appraisal? Stay tuned. I'm going to answer that question. My name is Matthew Evans, and welcome to my channel. I'm here to answer your real estate questions. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so I can deliver more videos you're going to love on Las Vegas real estate and a ton more. So hit the thumbs up and let's get started. Okay, so the question was this: how can I make sure that my home comes in an appraisal? Well, there's very few things that we can do that are under our control. One thing that I like to do in the very first thing is to provide a list of comparable sales to the appraiser. Yes, they're going to pull their own, but we want to make sure that there's no mistakes when they pull the information and that they get all the recent comparable sales so we can get the most value out of the property. Okay, the second thing that I do is ask the seller to provide a list of any improvements they've done with the home. Any, if we've done upgraded tile, backsplash, marble, or granite countertops, whatever it is. Like my backyard, I put some fake grass in there. That's something I would tell the appraiser. This is what I have done to improve the value of my home since I have owned it. And number three, make sure it's squared away and tidy, clean, nothing cluttered. Give the appraiser room to walk and observe the home. The more cluttered the home is, the more questions they're going to have in their head. So we want to make sure it's nice and wide open and clean for the appraiser. I hope this helped you today. Please stick around and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.